Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the Mobile Pixel Duex Max portable monitor. As you can see, this is a 14.1 inch monitor. Let's have a quick look around the box. So on the back here we have some information. It says multitasking, flexible rotation, kickstand portrait mode, magnetic attachment and hybrid signal. So I want to point your attention here to some specs, and it's also telling us it's compatible with Apple and Windows. If you want to pick this up, I will leave a link in the description down below. Remember, before we start, if you find the video useful, a like would be much appreciated, and subscribe for more reviews. So this is everything what was inside the box. We have a setup guide here which you can scan the QR code or visit the link. Turn this over. This is the attachment guide, the instruction for laptops under 16-inch monitors, instruction for laptops above 16-inch monitors, and this is the slide for the monitor. Here we have the magnet locations template which you would put at the back of your laptop. We have the magnets here. In here we have an instruction guide, a wipe and extra adhesives. So it comes with a decent sized cable. On one end it's a Type-C and on the other end it's USB-A, and if you remove that it's a Type-C cable. So now onto the screen. I have the colour grey here, but it also does have 3 different colours available. On the side here we have some menu buttons. Then if I turn it on the side, we have 2 USB-C ports. So on the back here we have 4 magnet plates. Let's open this up so we can see the screen. It's got a screen protector on, which I'm going to leave on. It is 14.1 inch, 1080p resolution. It has 300 nits max brightness, and also it has eye care mode. I'll be mounting this on my work laptop. Unfortunately, I thought it was 15 inches. However, looking at it now, I think it's 14 inches. But as I need it on this, we will see how it goes. I'm cleaning the screen now and I've got to give it a minute to dry. Just to mention, you can remove the magnets onto a different laptop should you need to. So my laptop has a Type-C port, so I will be using that port. This is normal mode. This cable is quite long, so you can use your own if you want. Now let's put it into presentation mode. It's a great piece of kit, this. You can leave it mounted on your laptop if you want, or you can take it off and put it away. Personally, I will get good use out of this. Link in the description if you want to pick this up. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.